Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that a pair of coordinates 3, -2 is a solution to this set of simultaneous equation px minus qy equals to 4 and 3px plus 2qy equals to 22. Now, there are 4 unknowns. How do we solve this pair of simultaneous equation then? That's where this one becomes pretty important, since they tell me that 3, which is an x value, -2, which is a y value, so this x and this y is a solution to this pair of equations. It means that we can substitute this x and this y with 3 and -2 respectively. Okay, it should satisfy this equation, and this is what we get. And from here, we can easily solve this simultaneous equation already, right? And of course, at this point, you can choose to either use substitution method or elimination method. So for Mr. Tan is going to use elimination method because Mr. Tan realized this. If I were to multiply by 3 to equation 1, I can get 9p, which then I will be able to obtain my unknown with the same coefficient. I can use elimination method easily, and that's what's happening here. And so I'll have my equation 2 and equation 3. And from here, I can then 9p minus 9p, right? So I know that I'm going to have to minus away the equations. I'll have 3 minus 2. You can alternatively, you can also use equation 2 minus equation 3. Both works. Okay. But since I have chosen to use equation 3 minus equation 2, and this is how the working wheel looks like, where my equation 3 minusing my equation 2. So continue. And this is the next step. There you can see that there will be a 9p minus 9p. There will be a 6q. Now why is there a positive 4q? Well, I hope you can see that negative and negative will become, yep, positive. 12 minus 22 is -10. And to continue, eventually you will get 10q equals to -10. Q equals to -1. I divide by 10 on both sides. And from here, you can then substitute back into any of the equation. I'm going to substitute into equation 1. So 3p plus 2q, and the q I'm no longer going to write as q, I'm going to write it as -1. And solve it. 3p minus 2 equals to 4. I'm going to, at this stage, plus 2 on both sides. That will give me 3p equals to 6, and finally divide by 3 on both sides to give me a final answer of p equals to 2. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.